Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Ibarra. So for today's math lesson, you're going to need your math book, a pencil, and you will need your blocks. So pause this video, go get your items, and then push play when you are ready. Okay, so let's get started with today's learning objective. It says, I can make 10 to subtract. Okay, so here we have another problem. 11 minus 3. So, I need to make a friendly 10 out of this 11. So, in order to make this into a 10, how much do I need to take away? That's right. I need to take 1 away, right? So, but I don't have a 1 right here. So what can I do? Well, I could break this up into a 1 and a 2. Because 1 plus 2 is 3. Then I can say 11 minus 1 equals 10. So now I have my friendly 10 right there. That's what I wanted. And so, but I still have this 2 right here that I need to take away. So then I say 10, and that's my friendly 10, minus 2 equals 8. Right? So that is my answer. So that 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. Whoops, let me make that into a nice 8. It equals 8. So what we did was we made this number into a friendly 10 and then subtracted whatever the difference was, whatever the missing part was, and we got our answer. Open up your math book to page number 307, and we're going to get started. And it says there are 13 coconuts on the island. 7 of the coconuts roll into the ocean. How many coconuts are left on the island? Trace the numbers. Draw the number of coconuts that are left on the island. Okay, so they kind of give us a hint right here. So we want to make this 13 into a friendly 10. So if I have 13 blocks, I need to take away 3 to make this into a friendly 10 because I want to subtract by tens. So, but we don't have a 3, we have a 7. But we could break that up, right? We could break it up into a 3 and a 4. So there is my 3 right there. Now I can subtract to make that into a 10. So now I have 13, and I'm going to take away 3. That makes 10. And now that I have 10, well, I still need to take away 4 more because we still have this number right here. So 10 take away 4 equals 6. So 13 minus 7 equals 6. Okay, let's turn the page. See and show. To subtract, first take apart a number to make a 10, then subtract. So it says right here, 16 minus 9. Okay, so what if I had 16 blocks? So I have 16 blocks right here. I need to take away 6 of them to make a friendly 10, right? But I don't have a 6, I have a 9. But I know that 6 and 3 make 9. So now I have my 6. So I could say 16 minus 6 equals 10. But I still have this other number left over. I have that 3. So now I say 10 minus 3 equals 7. So that means that 16 minus 9 is also equal to 7. Okay. Now, let's do some more. Number 1. And it says 12 take away 7. Well, if I have 12 right here, this is 12, How many blocks do I need to take away to make the friendly 10? That's right. I need to take away 2 blocks. But I don't have 2. I have 7. But I know that 2 and 5 makes 7. So now I have my 2 right there. And I say 12, take away 2, makes 10. So that makes that friendly 10 we were talking about. So now I'm not done because I still have this 5 over here. So I could say 10, I'm going to take my friendly 10, minus 5 is 5. So that 12 minus 7 is also equal to 5. Okay, fantastic. Now, let's try this one. I have 15 minus 6. Okay, so if I have 15 blocks, I want to make a friendly 10. How many blocks do I need to take away? That's right. I need to take away 5 blocks, right? I need to take away 5 blocks in order to make a friendly 10. But I don't have a 5, I have a 6. Well, I know that 5 and 1 can also make 6. So now there's my 5. 15 take away 5 makes a friendly 10. Now I'm going to take my friendly 10 and I'm going to take away, what? 1, because that's the other number that I have left over. So 10 minus 1, that's 9. So that means that 15 minus 6 is also equal to 9. Okay, great. So now let's go to the next page. This is the on your own. Why don't you try some of these on your own? Press pause on the video and see if you could do these. And then push play to see the answers. Okay, welcome back. Let's see, let's check your answers. Okay, so if we have 17 minus 9. Now I have 17. Okay, so I'm going to have 17 blocks. Okay, so I have 17 blocks. So now I want to make a friendly 10. So how many blocks do I need to take away to make this into a friendly 10? That's right, I need to take away 7 blocks to make it into a friendly 10. But then again, I don't have a 7, I have a 9. But I know that 7 and 2 make 9. So now there's my 7. I could say 17 minus 7 makes a friendly 10. So now I'm going to take my friendly 10 and I need to take away the other number. So what's the other number? The other number was 2. So 10 take away 2 is 8. So that means that 17 minus 9 is also 8. All right. So now over here we have 12. Take away 8. And I want to make a friendly 10. So if I have 12 blocks and I want to make this into a friendly 10, how many blocks do I need to take away? I need to take away 2 blocks. But then again, I don't have a 2 right there. I have an 8. But I can say 2 and 6 make 8. So now there's my 2. 12 take away 2 makes a friendly 10. That's what I wanted to make. So I'm going to take my friendly 10 and I need to take away the other number. What's the other number? 6 in this case, right? So 10 minus 6 is 4. So now I know that also 12 minus 8 has to be 4. Okay, now this one I have 11. Okay, so we have 11. So let's put 11 blocks. And I want to make a friendly 10. How many do I need to take away to make that friendly 10? I need to take 1 away. Okay, but I don't have 1. I have a 5. But I could break up that 5 into a 1 and a 4. Okay, so now we have 11 minus 1 makes a friendly 10. And now that I have my friendly 10, I can say 10 minus 4 equals 6. That means that 11 minus 5 is also equal to 6. Okay? What about this one? What about 14 minus 7? Well, if I have 14 blocks, I want to try to make a friendly 10. So how many do I need to take away? I need to take away 4 blocks. Okay, but I don't have a 4. I have a 7. But I can break it up into 4 and 3 because I know 4 plus 3 makes 7. So 14 minus 4 is a friendly 10. Now that I have my friendly 10, I need to take away that other number. What was the other number? Yeah, 3. So 10 take away 3 is 7. That means that 14 minus 7 also has to equal 7. Great job. Okay, turn the page and let's do this last part. And it says, Carly has 13 hats. She gives away 8 of them. How many hats does she have left? Well, I know that Carly has 13 hats and she gives away 8. So we want to know how many hats she has left. So I'm going to circle that part. Okay, so I know that 13, she had 13 hats and she's going to take away 8. She gave 8 of them away. Okay, so that's kind of a hard one to do, but I know I can use my blocks. I could say if I had 13, now I want to make this 13 into a friendly 10. What do? Well, I need to take away 3 of them. But I don't have 3, I have an 8. Oh, but I could break this 8 apart into 3 and 5, because I know 3 plus 5 make 8. So I could say 13 minus 3, and I'm going to write that over here on this side. 13 minus 3 equals 10. I have my friendly 10. So now I still have this number, so I need to take away 10 minus 5 equals 5. So that means that 13 minus 8 has to equal 5. So she has 5 hats left. Okay, so now number 8 says, there are 18 seahorses swimming in a group. 9 of the seahorses swim away. How many seahorses are still swimming in the group? So I know that there are 18 seahorses swimming in a group. 9 of the seahorses swim away. How many seahorses are left? So I'm going to circle that. Okay, so I'm going to write my sentence, 18 seahorses, and 9 of them swim away. So what's the answer? I don't know. But I could say if I have 18 of those seahorses, that looks like this, and I want to make a friendly 10, I need to take away how many? I need to take away 8 to make a friendly 10. But I don't have an 8, I have a 9. So what do? Well, I could say 8 and 1 make 9. So now I could write 18 minus 8 equals 10. We made our friendly 10. Now I have my friendly 10, and I still need to take away this number. What's that? Oh yeah, 1. 10 take away 1 is 9. That means that 18 minus 9 has to equal 9, so that there are 9 seahorses left. Okay, great job. Okay, so now let's do the last one. How do you take apart a number to subtract? Explain. Well, we subtract to make 10, and then subtract 10 by the number that is left. So we can say that we subtract Okay, so you have to subtract to make 10, right? Because that's what we do. We want to make a friendly 10. Subtract to make 10. And I put a smiley face because it's a friendly 10. And then what do we do after that? Well, then we have to subtract whatever number is left, right? So then subtract by the number that is left. Okay, subtract to make 10, then subtract 10 by the number that is left. Okay, so make sure you take a picture of both of these sides and turn them into seesaw. Okay, boys and girls, bye.